perhaps we should think about something with a longer-term perspective. Did you know that today Procter & Gamble increased its dividend by 5%? The 66th year that the firm boosted its payout. I know, only yields 2.3% here, but you know why? You know why? Because the stock has steadily rallied for ages. Well-managed, great products, everyone uses them in a slowdown. As I said to the CNBC Investing Club today, plain, bang, shampoo, what you need the most in a recession? Procter. All right, here's another one. If you think Bastion is right and the airlines are doing fabulously, then how about a destination? We told Investing Club members at our morning meeting that if people are traveling, they'll head to the most coveted vacation spot on earth. They're going to Disney World. Right now, there's a lot of negative mojo about Disney. Matter of fact, I can't recall another time when this iconic company was more at odds with the price of its stock. These situations usually resolve themselves positively for the stock as Disney makes changes to close the gap. And that's what's going to happen here. Trust me. Or if you're interested in owning a bank but are turned off by Jamie Dimon's comments. Believe me, so are the other big banks. Banks make fortunes when the Fed raises rates. They can invest your deposits in treasuries, get higher risk-free returns while paying you next to nothing. And remember, if you want to find a bank that will benefit the most from higher rates, look no further than Bank of America, which has a gigantic deposit base, much more of a domestic story than J.P. Morgan. And also, by the way, I bet you Brian Moynihan, the CEO, I bet you he listened to Jamie. He's not going to echo that guy. If that doesn't work for you, and you think Jamie's right about how the war in Ukraine could spiral out of control, then maybe it's time to own a defense contractor. I think Raytheon Technologies, best way to play it. If you believe the Ukrainian government will be getting more hardware from the West, I hope they do. But as always, hope should be not part of the equation. The bottom line, look, this is a hyper-confusing moment. But I want you to search for stocks that can work long-term, regardless of whether we're in the best of times, the worst of times, or both.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.